Hey guys, Dhani here for South by Southwest day 6. Right, so I'm just in front of this food truck here. Shorty's food truck, right? So this is a quick tip for day 6. If you're looking for food, there are plenty of food around. There's Betty's Burger over there on that side. There's some shops as well just behind this Tumbalong Park on the other side. But there are a few kind of like interesting pop-up shops around the corner here as well in this Tumbalong Park area. I tried the Shorty's food truck. Is pretty good yesterday. Their burger is pretty good, so check it out when you can. But if you're looking for other food, you know, Chinatown, it's just about that part. Over there, there's a building called the Nest. That's pretty good. Has some nice Asian food in there. But yeah, there are plenty of food around. And just a quick tip though, you cannot really bring hot food that is not covered, you know, for example a burger or chips or things like that into the sessions, because the aroma of course is going to distract a lot of people, including the speakers. They might get hungry. And also hot drinks, it's not really allowed, especially in the big auditoriums. If you bring your own kind of hot water bottles, as long as they're covered, they're okay. Of course, you know, health and safety, and you will be stopped by the lovely staff or volunteers that are around. So, you know, don't give them a hard work today.